Thank you for joining us today on today's webinar, From Challenge to Change.
Their goal was to bring the studio to the forefront of digital practice in design and management.
We really wanted to use Rapport as our central practice management system and our data library of core practice information. It took us another 6 to 9 months to then mature and broaden the boundary a little bit of all the data that we wanted to capture and to get the use out of the system with all the functions it can provide.
We're going to go over a series of best practices here when it comes to successfully planning and executing change.
We know that there is a step that many architectural firms skip. They fail to show people how to do their new job.
I think the communication was really important, and we really made it very transparent what we were trying to achieve also with the systems.
We have been consistently impressed by the ability of Cubic to adapt to a very complex practice and serve that practice well.